Few points about first civilization ever, Mesopotamia. Mesopotamia is known as the Cradle of Civilization, where city life began for the first time in human history. The name Mesopotamia comes from Greek. Mesos meaning middle, Potamos meaning river. The land between two rivers, and the rivers is Tigris and Euphrates. What is civilization? A settled and advanced way of life with cities, laws, trade, writing, and organized society. Mesopotamia, located in present-day Iraq, it was part of Fertile Crescent, a region with rich soil, rivers, and an ideal climate for farming. Farming began here around 7000 to 8000 BCE, also near Jerusalem and Jordan. Surplus farming allowed people to settle permanently, leading to the rise of the world's first cities in southern Mesopotamia. Ur and Uruk were early urban centers, well planned and prosperous. Achievement of Mesopotamia: prosperity, vibrant cities, rich literature, mathematics, astronomy. The Old Testament called this land Shinar, meaning Sumer, described as a region of brick-built cities. Many early explorers believed Mesopotamia was their ancestral land and searching for proof of Bible stories. Mesopotamia, where city life began and human history changed forever.